Welcome grade 4. This is our first session of EVS chapter 5, Anita and the Honey Bees. Let me introduce you all to someone. She is a queen bee. She is a UNICEF poster girl. Can you guess who she is? She was given the award of a Girl Star under the project by UNICEF named Girl Stars. Yes, children, I am talking about Anita Khushwaha, a girl from Bochaha village in Muzaffarpur district of Bihar. Anita stays here with her parents and two younger brothers. Do you know, children, Anita was so poor that she could not afford to go to school, and her parents did not like her going to school. But one of the teachers of the village explained Anita's parents that it is important to go to school. Then she started going to school, but it was not easy for her. Here, Anita says, somehow my parents agreed and I started going to school. I did not get high marks, but I always asked many questions. When Anita reached grade 5, she started teaching other young children so that she can get some money from it and continue her own studies. From this, we come to know that Anita was very active from childhood. Students, when she said that she always asked many questions, this shows that she was very inquisitive, means she always wanted to know about many things. Do you know, children, when Anita was only 10 years old, she thought of another idea of making money, and that is beekeeping. Children, her journey from school to beekeeping has been very interesting. So let's read ahead. Anita joined a course of beekeeping. While learning this course, she came to know that honeybees lay eggs from October to December. So she found out that this was the best time to start beekeeping. Students, before moving further, let us understand what is beekeeping. Beekeeping is the maintenance of honeybee colonies in hives which are made by humans. And do you know, children, who does this beekeeping? Yes, a beekeeper. A beekeeper is also known as an apiarist. An apiarist keeps the bees to collect honey and wax to sell it to others. In the first picture, you can see, children, how the bees are kept. The next picture is of an apiary. An apiary is a place where bees are kept. It is also called a bee yard. Now, children, you all must be thinking how honey is made, right? Let's see then. Honeybees sit on flowers, suck their nectar, and store them in beehives. Then from these beehives, humans take out honey by using different methods. Children, I am sure you all like to have honey, isn't it? Now let's see how much healthy and useful honey is. Honey helps in increasing memory power. Honey helps in healing wounds. It also helps in getting good sleep. Honey is also used for treating skin diseases And children, I am sure you all must be taking honey when you are suffering from bad cough, right? Yes, honey helps in soothing your throat. So students, I am sure now you all have understood how useful honey is. Children, now it's homework time. Draw a picture of a honeybee in your notebook and color it and give it a name. There is one more homework for you. You have to answer these two questions. Question number 1. Have you seen any insects near flowers? Find out their names and write. Question number 2. Why do they come to flowers? Find out and write in your notebook. Children, in this session, we learned about Anita's journey from school to beekeeping. In the next session, we will learn more about how Anita continued with her business of beekeeping with little money and made profit, and how honey is extracted from the beehives in detail. Bye for now. Thank you.